The cat who wanted to fly. In a quiet little town by the green hills, there lived a small grey cat named Miso. He had soft fur, big curious eyes, and a very unusual dream. Miso didn't want to chase mice. He didn't like climbing trees like other cats. He didn't even care much for sleeping in the sun all day. Miso wanted to fly. Every morning, he climbed to the roof of the tallest house in the neighborhood. There, he watched the birds glide through the sky, so free, so fast, so high. I wish I could do that, he said to himself every day. I wish I had wings. The other cats laughed at him. Fly? Cats don't fly, said Trixie, a big orange tabby. We are cats, Miso. We climb, we jump, but we don't fly. But Miso didn't care. He looked up at the clouds and dreamed. The first attempt. One sunny afternoon, Miso found two big palm leaves in the garden. He had an idea. I will make wings, he said. He tied the leaves to his back with some old string he found behind the shed. He walked slowly to the top of the garden wall. Okay, here I go, he whispered. 1, 2, 3. He jumped. For half a second, the leaves cuffed the air. But then, crash! He landed in a bush, twigs in his fur, leaves in his mouth. Trixie saw it and laughed. See, I told you cats can't fly. But Miso didn't give up. He pulled himself out of the bush, brushed off the dirt, and smiled. I will try again, he said. The inventor mouse. The next day, Miso went for a walk near the old barn. He heard a strange buzzing sound. Bzzzt, click, bzzzt. He peeked inside and saw something amazing. A small mouse wearing round goggles was building something that looked like a tiny flying machine made from forks, rubber bands, and bottle caps. Hello, Miso said softly. The mouse jumped. Don't eat me, he squeaked. I'm not going to eat you, Miso said. I just want to learn how to fly. The mouse looked confused. You're a cat. Cats don't fly. I know, Miso said, but I really want to try. The mouse took off his goggles. I'm Otto. I build things that go up. Maybe I can help you. Miso's eyes lit up. Really? Otto nodded. Let's build something together. The flying backpack. Over the next few days, Miso and Otto worked together. They used old toys, feathers, broken plastic, and even a tiny motor from a fan. They built a backpack with small wings, a spinning propeller, and a soft landing pad. They called it the Skypo 3000. Otto adjusted the straps. It's ready, he said. They carried it to the top of a small grassy hill. Are you sure about this? Otto asked. Yes, Miso said. Let's fly. Otto turned the propeller on. It started to buzz. 3, 2, 1, go! Miso ran down the hill. The wind cuffed the wings. His paws left the ground. He was flying. He laughed out loud. I am doing it. I am really flying. But then, crack! One wing snapped. Miso span in the air and landed, boom, in a haystack. Otto ran to him. Are you okay? Miso poked his head out of the hay. That was awesome. They both laughed. A talk with the dove. The next morning, Miso sat quietly on the roof. His fur was still full of hay, but his heart was full of joy. A white dove landed beside him. I saw you fly yesterday, the dove said. Miso looked at her. Almost fly, he said. But you were brave, the dove said. That matters. I try, Miso said, but I always fall. Flying, said the dove, isn't just about wings. It's about trying, failing, and trying again. Miso thought about that. I think I understand. You will find your way, said the dove. Just don't stop dreaming. A new idea. Later that day, Miso had a new idea. I don't need to fly like a bird, he said. I will fly like a balloon. He gathered balloons from a birthday party in the park. He tied them to a basket and climbed inside. Otto, he called. Come see. Otto came running. What is this? It's my flying basket, said Miso proudly. Otto laughed. It might actually work. Miso cut the rope. The basket slowly rose into the sky, up, up, gently floating above the houses. All the neighborhood animals looked up. Is that Miso? He is flying. The cat is flying. Even Trixie was amazed. He did it, she said softly. Miso floated peacefully through the air. The wind touched his whiskers. The sky was his now. The cat who could. Miso's flying basket didn't stay up forever. After a while, he floated down safely into a tree, where he climbed down with a big smile. From that day on, Miso was known as the cat who could fly. He built more things, gliders, parachutes, tiny kites tied to his tail. He still fell sometimes, but he always got back up, and he always tried again. And whenever someone said, cats can't fly, Miso just smiled and said, maybe not yet.